Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Craig local and long-distance movers near me. Are you looking for a moving company that offers cheap rates and reliable services? Look no further than 3 Movers. We are a valuable resource for those who are looking to relocate within the city, interstate, or internationally. Whether you are looking for a local move or an interstate move, we can help you out there and help you save money. Our affordable prices, fast, reliable services allow transportation of goods easily. Stay assured all your items are safe with us. From transporting lightweight goods to heavyweight items, we make sure everything is transported efficiently. Why prefer 3 Movers? Our movers are experienced in both local and long-distance moves. We have a wide range of services to choose from, so you can customize your move according to your needs. Our dedicated team ensures your smooth move. We have the necessary tools and equipment to help us handle any move. You can leave the rest to us. We offer competitive rates to get the best value for your money. We take pride in our reputation for providing quality service. We are always here to help with any questions or concerns you may have about your move. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.